Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by noting the exact error message or symptom you see. Write it down so you can compare results later. Check that Mail and Mac OS are updated and restart the Mac if needed. Restarting often clears temporary issues and takes about 5 minutes. Next, open Mail Activity to watch message downloads and uploads. Then open Console and filter for mail errors to collect useful diagnostic messages for deeper troubleshooting. Rebuild the affected mailbox using Mailbox Rebuild to refresh message indexes. Allow the rebuild to finish before checking messages again. Disable and re-enable the account in Mail Settings and wait 15 minutes for resync. If messages still fail, remove the envelope index file to force Mail to re-index all messages. Quit Mail first and back up the Mail folder before removing any files. Restart Mail and monitor the reindexing progress in Create a new Mail profile by moving COM. Apple, Mail, plis to a backup folder and restarting Mail. This resets Mail preferences without deleting your mailbox data. If Mail still misbehaves, re-add the email account manually and verify IMAP and SMTP settings match the provider instructions. Double-check ports, SSL, and authentication methods while re-adding the account. If messages are missing, restore them from the Mail folder backup or Time Machine backup you created earlier.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.